Hello, my name is Lore, and this is my intern for DeSilva Gates for summer of 2020. So here's a picture of me standing on stage 4A for our Live Oak project. We are working with Caltrans, and it's a federal and state job. This is the Yuba City job, and right here we're laying in loops for the lights. So whenever cars run over these loops, it sends a signal to the lights that there's a car there, and then the light will go from red to green. It's another picture. I believe the asphalt was 2.5 inch to 3 inch, somewhere around there. On the job site. So here's a job in Yuba City, and it's right by Thunder Valley Casino. Here's a storm drain. And here we're trying to make grade. We just make roads. This is a temporary road, by the way. There's aggregate base. And then there's a 2-inch thickness, 2.5 inch of asphalt. So here, there's a subcontractor who's potholing to make sure that we made grade. The aggregate base is supposed to be 15 inches, I believe. And the asphalt is supposed to be 2.5 inches. But it was pretty hard for that thing to grind down there because it's not hooked up to a truck. So he's grinding. And he's also putting in a mixture. It's not water. It's like a solution that allows the steel to go into the asphalt, make it easier. And there you see it, he pulled it out. And this machine is to get into the asphalt to make sure that the asphalt is deep enough into the ground. It's pretty hard because if you're holding that thing, it will swing and hit you. So it's best to have had like it hooked up to a truck. Yeah, you see that? He actually got hurt by that machine. And then they just stopped potholing. And here's me measuring the thickness of our results. And you can see it right there. It's about 2.5 inches thick. Here's one of the project engineers, Ryan. I went out on the job with him. He does public works, or I mean private work. And here's another machine that DeSilva Gates own. Here's a picture of what we're doing in Live Oak, stage 4A. There's another picture, traffic control, and double bottom trucks coming in to haul out dirt. And then when we were excavating, we accidentally, it wasn't us, it was MJD, our subcontractor. They actually broke into the concrete, and water goes through that concrete to get to the other side of the street because they have tubes underneath it. Here's MJD digging holes to install pipes for storm drains. Here's another picture. Here's a better angle. I can't recall how deep they were digging. I believe it was somewhere from like 6 feet. here is a takeoff that I did for James for a private job. See if I can get a picture for you guys. Here's the video of it taking out dirt, moving dirt. Here's another video. Yep. And then once they're done with stage 4A, then they'll move to other stages after we have excavated dirt and grind off the pavement. So for this job, it's pretty expensive. I can't tell you guys the price, but it's pretty expensive. Here's another video. MJD again with their pipelines. Yeah, so back to this hole. We were gonna fill it up with water to see where it goes, but I'm not sure what we're currently gonna do because we're still waiting on Brian. So these double bottom trucks, they fit about 9 to 11 cubic yards, I believe, in each load. So you can see here the double bottom truck. Our excavator is gonna put loads into this truck, and each one of these can hold 4 loads. It takes 4 scoops to fill this thing up. And this machine is just to push all the dirt from here so that this other machine can have a nice and neat stockpile to just load it up there. Like, if you remember what the machine's called, it's a Cat 336F. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then for the takeoffs, it's pretty simple. What we do is just, you can see here, that's the curb and gutter right there. That's the street. That's the parking stall. That's pretty much all we do. Asphalt, concrete, aggregate base, curb and gutter, sidewalks.